Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a Facebook page for your business. So first you need to open Facebook app. After that, on the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Now scroll up and then click on see more. Scroll down and then click on pages. After that, on the top here you will see create, discover, invite. Just click on create button. Now select the second option, public page, and then click on next. Now here enter a name. Click on next. Now you have to select a category. So let's say I am going to select education category. After that, click on create. And we have successfully created our pages. Now select what is the best for describe your goal. After that, click on continue. Now under the general tab here, write a bio. After that, on the contact section here, enter your website if you have, or enter your email address, phone number. And on the location tab here, enter your location. After that, on the bottom, click on next. Now select a profile picture. And you can add a page banner. So after that, click on next, 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 done. And there you go, we have successfully created a pages. So now you have to customize the page. You have to fill out the all information like your contact details or other things. So that's how you can create a Facebook page. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.